The city of Granada is located in southern Spain, Andalusia region. The Alhambra, one of the most well-known landmarks in Europe and Spain, is located in this university city. At least 2,500 years have passed since people first began to live in Granada. Prior to being a Greek colony, it was first a settlement of Ibero-Celts. Prior to being governed by the Visigoths and retaken by the Byzantine or Eastern Roman Empire, it thrived as the economic hub of Roman Hispania. Granada, in addition to being one of the most historically significant cities in all of Spain, it is also a city unlike any other. It was the final Spanish city to return to Catholic power in 1492, after being ruled for centuries by the Muslims. The city's eclectic fusion of architectural styles, customs, and inhabitants still reflects the dual influence of Catholics and Muslims. While it is hot in Granada in July and August, the weather is dry, so you won't perspire much while taking in the sights. The spring and autumn seasons are pleasant and sunny and offer a more tolerable temperature range for tourism. Although there are usually clear skies and pleasant, sunny days in January, the nights can get chilly. You can easily access everything by staying in the historic part of Granada. The Alhambra and General Life Gardens are two of the city's most popular tourist destinations, both of which are inside or close to the city center. Free tapas are served with beverages in Granada. One complimentary plate of tapas is included with every drink you purchase at a tapas bar. If you place a second order, you'll receive a plate of a different variety. You will undoubtedly be surprised by the high quality of the food served at several Granada takeout joints. In Granada, where there is a wide variety of dining options, the key decision is whether to make a reservation at a restaurant, walk up at a tapas bar, or order takeout. While you're enjoying these awesome drone shots, don't forget to like and subscribe and ring the bell. We are posting videos like this twice a week and we would hate for you to miss it. The 13th century palace and castle known as the Alhambra is included as a UNESCO World Heritage Site. It is one of the oldest and best preserved Islamic palaces, having been constructed by the Moors atop the remains of a Roman fort. Muhammad I ibn al-Ahmar, the founder of the Emirate of Granada, began construction in 1238. At this point, the Moors occupied the region. It is an excellent idea to get your ticket in advance because the Islamic architecture and artwork attract over 2 million visitors each year. Southern Spain's way of life is closely entwined with flamenco, a significant cultural experience. It is a type of folk music that was developed in southern Spain in the late 18th century and is now well known all over the nation. It includes guitar, singing and dancing. You may watch a show for a token at any number of little theaters and restaurants. The Mirador de San Nicolas in Granada's charming Albaik neighborhood is the ideal location for a panoramic view of the city, especially at dusk. It's a wonderful way to end the day and offers a breathtaking perspective of the Alhambra.